now the government has announced new rules for allowing shopping malls, restaurants, hotels and places of worship to open gradually following the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown. Now, the guidelines, which will come into effect from Monday, include measures like staggering visitors to malls, no touching of idols at religious places. Detailed rules were also issued for offices, which have been allowed to reopen over the past few weeks. All establishments that come under containment zones will, of course, remain closed. Now, temperature screenings will be a must at entrances everywhere. Visitors will be allowed only if they use a face cover or mask, which should be worn at all times inside. For restaurants and mall food courts, the ministry has limited the seating capacity to 50%, and disposable menus are advised to be used instead of cloth napkins. The use of disposable paper napkins should be encouraged. Restaurants have been asked to encourage takeaways and deliveries instead of dine-in, and lots of rules also for the hotel industry for lots of do's and don'ts and guidelines. Well, we're now joined by Srijan Vadera, General Manager, Conrad Bengaluru. Thank you so much, Srijan, for joining us this morning. Now, I was going through the rules for hotels, and it's a long list of around 31 rules at least. So what is your reaction to this? It's going to be a whole new way for all of you to function now.
Gargi, thank you so much for having me on the show. Our rules are a little new and different to our guests and to our customers. But believe you me, we have all prepared. We are all set for contactless check-in. You can check in before you even come into the hotel. You can have digital key. You don't have to come to the front desk to ask for the key. You can even look at the menus on your app. So everything is going to be a little different. The contact points for our customer are going to be less, but our DNA remains the same to ensure that the customer experience remains the same Conrad way of serving us.
All right. And are you hopeful that people will now start coming back? And already there's a bit of travel taking place after flights have resumed. Are you hopeful that people will be now visiting hotels?
Gargi, I'm really hopeful that people should come out. It's way of living now. It's a new norm. It's a new life. But I think people will come out. People will be little cognizant of the fact that they have to ensure that social distancing is maintained. But people will come out. People will come to the restaurants. People will travel, and people will come and stay at our new hotels.
Do share with us what sort of challenges you've had to undertake, in the sense you've had to retrain a lot of your staff. I'm sure they all have to now be keep all these rules that have been put in place in mind. This constant sterilizing, luggage also has to be sterilized, and various rules that have been put in place. So tell us a bit about that.
So I have close to 400 employees at our hotel, and all of them have already gone through the online training before we even prepared for our opening the doors for the guest. And in terms of the guest also, in terms of vendors, in terms of all our suppliers, we have kind of updated everyone on how important it is to maintain social distancing and to maintain hygiene. We have got an in-house laboratory at the hotel. We've got a hygiene manager. So before you check in, every detail is sent across to the guest over email. When you check in at the hotel, at the check-in point, also your temperature is checked, and Arogya Setu app is kind of enables us to ensure that the guest is safe to come into the hotel. And it's a seamless check-in. You can straight away go into your room with a digital key in your hand on your mobile. And then even you can look at the menus. You don't have to look at the physical menu. You can look at the menu on your mobile app. And you can order the menu, or you can order whatever services you wish to. Even when you want to order room service, when you want to know what are the things that can be visited in and around the hotel, everything is available on your mobile app. And then even to get into the elevator, there is social distancing maintained. We have somebody at the entrance to ensure that only 3 visitors are allowed in the elevator at one given point of time. Even for all our staff, they are trained to ensure that social distancing is maintained when they serve the guest. Even at the laundry, when the staff also checks in at the hotel, they are all given their personalized mask, their uniform, the PPE kit. So all of them are trained to ensure that the guest is safe. And then we have close to 6,000 hotels worldwide. So there is a complete norm on how to ensure that the hygiene is maintained at all given different points at the hotel.
Right, and Srijan, the hotel industry, the tourism industry has really gone under a massive setback with this lockdown. So once again, you're hopeful that now slowly but surely people will start coming out and there will be more confidence among people to go to hotels, start traveling again.
Yes, Kagi, we are hopeful, and it's a new life, it's a new norm. Yes, of course, Corona is there, it's going to stay for a while. But we all have to live in, we all have to ensure that the business comes back to the same norm.
All right, well, thank you so much, Srijan, for sharing that with us. Yes, it's going to be quite a challenge once the doors open for all the hotels. Come Monday, there's, as I said, a list of 31 guidelines that have to now be followed. But as you said, you're very confident, and let's hope that people do start traveling once again. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you, Gagi. Thank you very much.